Hey guys, we're here today at South Dade Toyota. And I chose one of the most popular cars you see out in the street. No matter where you go, right or left, you're always gonna run into a Rav4. And I wanna show you how you can make a difference so when you're standing next to another one, you know I personalized it. Let me show you what I would change. These cars are not cheap, by the way. They're very expensive. So I think that they should put a little bit more love into them. But that's what I'm here for. Half black bumper, plastic. I always say the front of the car should be the presence. And I think that it should match all together, make that front look like if it even had a body kit on it. So definitely, I would make it all white to match the top part of the car and give it a nicer stance in the front. So by matching the front, you're also gonna get the side of the car. If you look at the side of this car, you're gonna see all the bottom of this car is black. I hate the flares. I don't know why they do this. It makes it look like there's a big opening. It makes it look like a 4x4. By going white, what's gonna happen is it's gonna drop, there's about 2 inches. So it's gonna fill in this area more and it'll look more expensive, let's say. The bottom, the same thing. It looks like the car is walking on water. Same thing in the back bumper, which I'll go to it now. This needs to be white. The chrome, you only have one thin line of chrome. Definitely make it black. We don't really need chrome. One thing I did notice, very simple little detail, but it makes a world of a difference. Here, you have a black line that blends in with this black piece, which I like it. But in the front, for some reason, it's the same type of line, but they leave it in the matte color. Just that little detail, make it gloss, and that way when you look at it in the side, it all looks like it's part of the same line. The wheels, not bad. The style is nice, just the size, 17 inch. Let's go to 20. We don't do 17-inch wheels anymore. Let's put a set of 20-inch wheels, make it look more filled, make it look more sporty. The back bumper, I mean, just by looking at it, this needs to be white, this needs to be white. Fill it in, make it look like it has a body kit. Very simple details, but you're gonna see the difference now when I show you the finished product. And one more thing, cloth interior. I don't know why they still make them, but makes you upgrade, I guess, to a more expensive model. But if I told you that for under $2,000, you can probably get a leather kit, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna change these seats into leather and give it that more expensive look inside to match this beautiful dashboard, this beautiful interior. And there you have it. Simple. Paint the front bumper, make it all unified, and now you have a totally different look, total different car. Same thing as the sides. Now you see the white matches. You got the white flares, which I told you would make it look lower. The bottom, we painted all white. We also did the mud flaps, the little trim on top, black, and that little simple accent. If you look at it now, sideways, you will see that little accent and the back match together. The wheels. We went with 20-inch wheels. You made it look a lot sportier and different than any other ones out there. Same as the front, very simple. It's little details. Bottom is painted. Now it looks like it has even a body kit. And it looks like a totally different car. And there you have it. Simple as you order a leather kit, Now you have leather. Now it feels like the inside matches with everything. No more cloth. And another nice thing about this kit, we added some white stitching just to match a little bit with the outside color of the car. Very simple, big upgrade. If you're looking to customize your own Toyota, call my friends at South Dade Toyota. They will include it into your financing or lease, and you can have a car customized by me. You can click the link below to contact the dealer today. I'll be visiting a lot of dealers out in South Florida, putting up more videos, but you need to subscribe if you want to see more videos of what I would do to make your car look different.